Are you wasting ad spend on the wrong audience? Learn how to pinpoint your ideal demographics in under 3 minutes. We'll use Semrush's demographics tool to uncover your audience's age, gender, and income. Follow these 8 simple steps. Start by heading to your Semrush folders to keep your data organized. Then, click on Traffic and Market to open up the Analytics section. Now, select Demographics to see the audience breakdown. Take a moment to review the demographic data displayed here. Next, click on the first highlighted element to refine your view. Then, click on the second highlight to narrow it down further. Now, click on Add Competitors to bring in other sites for comparison. Finally, hit Analyze to see the updated insights. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.